Hi all, welcome back to JS Crafters World. Do like, share and subscribe. This video is on making a 3-layer chain using crystal beads. So first we'll check with the materials required. I have taken 2 colors of 3 mm crystal beads, taking 2 blue strings and 4 green strings. And then connector which has 3 holes, crimp beads of 1 mm size, back rope with hooks in it, gear wire, flat plier and cutter. So now we'll check with the making of the chain. So I'm going to make about 24-inch chain. So first insert the gear wire into the connector that I have taken into one loop of the connector and lock it using crimp beads. Now measure the gear wire length to be about 26 inches. That is, it should be at least 2 inch or 1.5 inch above the measurement that we are going to make the chain. And the other 2 gear wires that we are going to connect to the next rings of the connectors can be 1 inch or half inch less than that of the 26 inch that we have taken in the first hole. Now attach both the gear wires, that is, first already you have taken a 26-inch gear wire and then you have another 2 holes, so 25-inch and 24-inch. You can take the gear wire in the starting before making the chain set itself, or you can do it one by one too. According to the pattern you have chosen to make the chain, you can insert the beads. In this design, I am taking a pattern that it is going to be of a green, a blue and then a green. So first, in the 26-inch wire, I am inserting the green crystal beads. Once the stringing of green crystal beads is done, next we can check with the measurement of the gear wire. If it is about 24 inch, the green beads that we have inserted is about 24 inch. Next we can lock that gear wire. So for this, insert the gear wire into the crimp beads and then to the connector. Then form a loop. Take the reverse of the gear wire, insert back into the crimp beads and tight it using the flat pliers. Now taking the next gear wire, that is the second one, center part from the gear wire, and insert the blue color crystal beads. In this video, I'll be showing a stringing method, that is, no need to remove the beads and insert it one by one. Instead, you can take the gear wire and insert into the thread of the beaded string and directly you can insert the beads one by one into the gear wire. Now measure the size of the blue string to be about 23 inch. That is, the second line that should be 1 inch smaller than the first line that you have taken. So 23 inch, and you can lock the gear wire using crimp beads. So now making the third layer of the chain. For this I am taking green color crystal beads and then the measurement of about 22 inch, that is 24 inches on the outer, next it's 23 inches and then the inner one to be 22 inches. So once 22 inch string is done, then you can tie the gear wire using crimp beads. So once all the 3 layers of the chain is done, next you can attach the back rope to the chain. In this particular model of connector that we have taken, we have already a loop on the top and the back rope that I have chosen is already having a lock, that is a clasp is there already in it. So you can attach the back rope directly into the connector. So finally, a 3-layer chain using crystal beads is ready. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Press the bell icon. Thanks again for watching the video. Follow us in Insta and Facebook.